Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I explain how to switch private account on Instagram on iPhone and Android. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Firstly, open Instagram and tap on your profile. Tap on setting. Tap privacy. As you can see here, private account. Tap it. As well as you can see, creator account cannot be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. Go back and tap on account. Scroll down. Here you can see switch account type. Tap on it. Tap on switch to personal account. Again tap switch to personal account. Go back to settings. Tap on privacy. Tap on private account. Tap on switch to private. Tap on not now. That's it. Your Instagram account has been private. After watching this, hope the helpful for you. Please don't forget like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Take care and bye.